Well, round 2 on the Clearwater. Lower Clearwater. Class 3s over there we did not do. Bugs are out in full force.
Glory to the frickin' world.
Heart's just going. I was almost stung again. They're pissed off. My rod kind of went into the hornets there. And they're not too happy with me right now. I kind of moved the canoe over here. I think I'll be okay. Yeah, those are some pissed off hornets. At the Gould Rapids portage. Let's roll out, honey. There's bugs everywhere. Gould Rapids, Lower Clearwater. Long portage, over 1 kilometer long, and it feels like it. Trail's a little hard to follow at times, but not too bad.
Sucks balls, choose it. I don't know, waffles.
A little natural man-made bridge over the water. Coolest thing I've ever seen. Ooh. What a hard portage trail. Or it seems hard because maybe there's 2 long ones back to back. How's it going, guys?
Sucks.
Making water.
Turning wine.
I'm impressed, Rob.
Yeah.
You're amazing.
Thanks.
I think what makes it hard is going through very close bush and over a bunch of slippery hard rocks.
Yeah.
Not hard rocks, but walking over hard places like slippery rocks. Right. Back up. Back up. Back up. Or not. Wait. Take a break. You okay, honey?
Careful.
Left. Left. Okay. Straight.
Finally, back at camp. Mosquitoes are crazy. Sun's going down. Oh. And everyone's so tired. Beautiful.
I don't like heights. You're doing a good job, honey.
Can't find a trail? You make a trail. Scrappy's very tired.
day is this?
Day 49. Just last.
How many days though? Wow.
Day
This one's for YouTube. Act really happy and
Yeah, this ain't making on it. He needs to take a shit.
act really happy like we're having fun. Yeah. Emery's having a great time as always.
This sucks. This sucks.
Are you filming or are you?
Sorry.
Yeah.
No, I got it. That's the last portage, Samson Rapids. We're at Contact Rapids. So many rapids I can't even remember.
The size of that grasshopper. Oh my god.
Who's hungry?
Look at the bird. Cutting wood at the campsites for us. Super nice. I just leave it there in case somebody else needs it, but pretty cool thing to do. Beautiful campsites, no garbage at all.
We'll catch up with this log later. No!
Well, finally made it to the Methy. Just in time too. Candy break. Oh, block screen. Oh my god. Alright, that's enough filming. Come and help me. Finally made it to Rendezvous. All-day adventure. Finally. And man, what a hard uphill battle. Just ridiculous. Wow. I was like, oh, 20k, I should be able to make the Methy. Make a wash by then. We were lucky to make it here by supper time. What a battle. We still have to go back for the stupid canoe. I'm done. How are you guys feeling?
Terrible.
Yeah. Get the big hoop by the bugs and the rain. Eating some Uncle Ben's chicken and something. I don't know, I burned the wrapper. pretty soupy. It says simmer. It's not really simmering. I gotta turn my stove up. Rendezvous Lake. That's where we gotta go over there. Another 15K to end this crazy portage. Holy man. Cooking with Rob in the backcountry. Always bring your dog to clean up the mess you make. Making pancakes. Of having the family on the trip. Pancakes. We're melting a Werther's Original in lake water with some sugar to make syrup. This is gonna be good. We are MacGyvering this thing. So we got the old axle here heating up in the fire. I'm gonna punch a bigger hole through there and hopefully that works.
Our signal fire. We're tired of the forest.
It's not a long one, but feet are already wet. Might drop our pace down from 4K an hour to 3K an hour or something. That's all right. Onward, Mr. Scruffy. What a hard hike. Brutal, brutal 19 kilometers. Absolutely brutal. Finally made it. What a hard, brutal trek. Brutal.